Investing in professional help when you are trying to hit specific goals in any area of your life can be super helpful. Whether it's your health, your finances, your career, whatever it may be, working with a professional can really help skyrocket your results. And so if you're someone who has specific career goals that you are trying to achieve, you might want to work with a career coach. But with the proliferation of coaches out there, how do you know when you have found the right coach to help you reach your goals? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to share with you 3 clear signs that you have found the perfect coach to help you reach your career goals. And as you watch, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Hi, this is your first time here, welcome. And if you are a regular viewer of this YouTube channel, welcome back. I'm Dr. 𝙁𝙤𝙣𝙙. I'm a career counselor and coach, and I work with women who are unhappy in their careers and help them get super clear about who they are in this season of their lives so they can find and secure a fulfilling career while increasing their salaries by at least 5 figures. Let's get into today's video. Okay, so let's talk about getting support to help you reach your career goals. When you are a professional, you are going to have different milestones in your career where you might end up hitting barriers and realize that you need someone, a professional, an expert to help you reach the goals. Whether it's job searching for the first time or job searching again, or trying to figure out your next career move, trying to make a pivot, trying to negotiate a salary increase, trying to be visible at work so you can go into a leadership position. There's so many different milestones that will happen across the lifetime of your career that can trigger you needing to invest in a career coach to help you reach those career goals. And the thing about working with an expert is that it can save you a ton. When you work with someone, it can help you save time, save energy, and even save money. Yes, while you might be spending money to invest in that person, it will save you money in increased earning potential or in money wasted in an organization. And so investing in someone to help you reach your career goals is always a smart decision. Now, let me pause and say that as I go through this video, you're going to hear me say career coach. But when I say career coach, I'm referring to any career development professional. People go by different titles. So you might have seen a career counselor, career coach, career development expert, career specialist, career mentor, resume writer, interview specialist, LinkedIn expert, whatever it may be. People usually use different titles based on their specific credentials, certifications, and expertise. But for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to keep saying career coach. One thing that I have seen frequently with the women I work with is that a lot of times when you are someone who is so used to solving problems for yourself, especially if you identify as a high achiever, it can be easy when you hit a barrier in your career to try to DIY it yourself. So you want to do it yourself. You're going on Google, you're trying to find solutions, talking to people, whatever it may be. And depending on the issue you're trying to solve in your career, sometimes that could work and sometimes it doesn't work. I want to talk about the times when it doesn't work, because what I've seen happen is that when you've tried everything within your power to solve a problem that you've been experiencing in your career, I'll hear women saying things to me like, maybe I'm not as smart as I thought I was, or they start feeling shame because they couldn't solve that problem or figure it out. And what I always say, and this is really what I want to share with you, viewer, if you are someone who has tried to DIY your career with no success, is that career development is an area of expertise in itself. So yes, you might have tried a lot of things, but if you don't have the specific expertise you need to solve the problem you're trying to solve, there really is no logical reason why your DIY efforts should have worked. It's like sometimes when we try to DIY our health and nothing works, we realize, okay, I need to go see a doctor right now. Career development is the same thing. And so there's nothing wrong with you just because your DIY tactics haven't worked. You just need to realize that you are operating outside of your zone of genius, and it's time for you to invest in somebody who can help you reach those goals faster. That now brings me to, if maybe you're watching and you're like, 𝙁, girl, you are preaching to the choir. I already know that I need to invest in somebody to help me. I'm not trying to do this myself. Then how do you know when you have found the right person to help you with your career goals in this world where there are just so many different experts out there? Well, let's talk about 3 very clear signs that you have found the perfect coach to help you reach your specific career goals. Okay, the first sign that you have found the perfect coach to help you reach your career goals is that you resonate with their client result. Like I said earlier, there are a ton of different experts out there who do career development work. And when you are trying to get somebody to help you, it's important that first You recognize what the goal is that you are trying to achieve. And then you want to go and try to find what types of results they have helped their clients achieve, whether it's on their website, their social media platforms, wherever it may be where they house their client results. Take some time to look through their client results to see if they are getting clients the same or similar results that you want to achieve. Because like you heard me said earlier, there's so many different experts out there. It will not make sense for you to work with someone who doesn't specialize in the thing you are trying to achieve. Let's say you're unhappy in your career and you're trying to make a pivot and figure out what type of work you will enjoy, then investing in a coach whose main specialty is helping you be more visible in your career so that you can become a leader doesn't make sense, because what they do isn't aligned with what you want to achieve. But when you have found someone who you think can help you, go look at their client results. And when you're looking at the client results, if you are regularly seeing experiences from their clients that are similar to yours, maybe where their clients were beforehand, or you're looking at the client results and thinking, I want to experience similar results, I want those types of outcomes, that is a very clear sign that you have found somebody who can help you achieve what you want to achieve, because you have seen that they can do the same thing for other people in the past. The second clear sign that you have found the perfect career coach to help you reach your goals is that you resonate with their concepts and ideologies. So as this person is sharing how they approach their area of expertise, how they approach the work that they do with their clients, if you find that when they're sharing their processes, their systems, their methods, their frameworks, their ideologies, it's resonating with you, that's a clear sign that you found the perfect coach for you. So let's say I'll just use myself for example, right? Let's say you want to figure out your most fulfilling career path, and you hear one of my methodologies, which is that career fulfillment starts with clarity about yourself. I strongly believe that you cannot find fulfilling work if you don't know who you are. And the way to know who you are is to first clarify your values, then your interests, then your skills, because those three things will help you identify your most fulfilling career. Your values will help you figure out which industries and companies are best for you. Your interests will help you figure out which industries and roles are best for you. And your skills will help you figure out which roles are best for you. When you have clarity about those three things, you can always, at any point in your life, make clear decisions into career paths that are fulfilling and aligned. That is a concept of mine. That is an ideology of mine that shapes the work I do with every client. Now, if you're listening and you're someone who wants to find fulfilling work and you hear me say that and you think to yourself, that's what I've been missing. All the other things I've done has been more tactical. I've been doing the resumes, just trying to apply to jobs first. I haven't actually paused and thought about who I am. I need to do that. Then that would be a sign that I would be the perfect coach to help you reach your career goals. Same goes for any other coach out there. As you're following what they put out there, whether it's, on Instagram, on Snapchat, on LinkedIn, on TikTok, if they have a blog, a website, a podcast, wherever they put out content, if their specific methodologies and processes sound like the missing piece to the goal you've been trying to achieve, that is a clear sign that you have found the right coach to help you reach your career goals. And then the third and final sign that you have found the perfect coach to help you reach your career goals is as you listen to their free content that they put out there in the world. If you feel like their content is always directly speaking to you, that is a clear sign that you have found the person to help you reach your career goals. So again, whatever platform they share on, if as you're listening to them talk, listening to them teach, listening to them talk about what they've helped their clients do, and every time you're listening to them, you're thinking, oh my gosh, that's me. How are you in my head? You're speaking directly to me. It's like you're reading my mind. If what they're saying is always tapping into something in you, that's a clear sign that you have found the perfect coach to help you reach your career goals. And I say that because when you have a coach who can so well tap into your experience that it feels like they're reading your mind, that means they already have the baseline context. You're not going to have to justify why you feel what you feel. The fact that their free content is already speaking to you means they already, at the baseline, understand some of what you're going through, what you're processing, and why you want that goal. So when you start working with them, you can just dive right into the work and start working towards hitting the goals. So whenever you're consuming their free content, wherever they put that out, if you regularly think, oh my gosh, that is me, that is the perfect sign that you have found the perfect career coach to help you perfectly reach your career goals. I wanted to see how many times I could say perfect in that sentence. So there you have it, 3 clear signs that you have found the perfect coach to help you reach your career goals. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let me know which of those signs resonates the most. Maybe there's a coach you've been looking at and you're thinking, oh, now that I think about it, this is what makes them perfect. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to chat with you and hear more. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Now, it would be remiss of me to not share that if you are a woman, okay, if you're a professional woman who is currently feeling unhappy in your job, you're feeling dissatisfied, you're feeling unfulfilled, you're feeling undervalued, and you know that you need to do something else in your career, but you have no idea what that something else is. And it's making you feel stuck and hopeless in your career. You know that you desire to do fulfilling work that feels meaningful and like you're contributing to society. You know that you want to make a difference through your work. You want to experience better work-life balance. You want to feel confident in your career identity. And you want to do all that without starting over in your career. You want to make that move in a way that allows you to prioritize yourself while increasing your salary. Then girl, I would probably be the perfect coach to help you reach your career goals. I'm just saying, in my program, Find Your Fulfilling Career, that is exactly what I help women do, is get super clear about who they are in this season of their lives so they can figure out their most fulfilling career path, job search intentionally so that they can secure a fulfilling job while increasing their salaries by at least 5 figures without applying to hundreds of jobs. If you go to findyourfulfillingcareer.com, that link will be in the description below. You can learn more about FYFC and how to join us in the program. And as I think about the very first reason why their client results, if you ever want to see the results I've been able to help my clients achieve, if you go to results.findyourfulfillingcareer.com, again, that's results.findyourfulfillingcareer.com, you will see a whole page of multiple clients. There's videos of my past clients sharing their experiences. There's written testimonials, but you can just see all the different results I've been able to help my clients achieve. And if those results resonate with you, that is a clear sign that you need to join us in FYFC. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will catch you on the next video.